How to lock WhatsApp on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily lock your WhatsApp chats. But before we do that, I want you to head down below to hit the like button and the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Let's get right into it. So what I'm talking about is if you want to secure your WhatsApp chats, you will have to set up a PIN or a password in order to make it secure. So how can you do that? First of all, what you have to do here is click on the settings icon at the bottom. You have to note that this process is very similar for both WhatsApp web and WhatsApp app on your laptop. So you can just follow this step. From here, all you have to do is go to your privacy settings, and once you do that, you can just scroll down a bit until you see the app lock right here. Now you will just have to turn it on. To do that, you just have to click on this little box right here, and this little dialog box will pop up where it is asking you to set a device password. Now I recommend you to use a password that is not very common, and make sure to include all kind of letters, numbers and symbols in order to make your password strong. So I'm just going to enter my password right here. So once you have entered your password, you also have to notice that the password must be 6 to 128 characters long and may only contain letters, numbers, and common punctuations. Now you just have to click on OK, and here you will get an option to set a duration. So if you set it to 1 minute, then your WhatsApp will be locked right after 1 minute. If you set it to 15 or 1 hour, and it will be locked accordingly. I'm just going to set it to 1 minute right now and wait 1 minute to show you guys how I have to enter my password in order to log in. So here I'm just going to open up a new WhatsApp web right here because I've closed the previous one, and look here, it is asking me to enter my password. So if I just quickly enter the password that I have just set, I will be easily able to unlock my WhatsApp. So I'm just going to click on unlock after entering the password, and it will let me through right here. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.